In this video I'm going to write the function get words from file. I'm going to just put it at the top of this slide, but actually it needs to be on the previous slide, but I think that will work fine because we've run out of space on here, so the next thing down will be this function. So let's move this down. And I'm going to have a function. First of all, let me just copy this and paste it on here. So I've got a box. There we go. I'm going to have a function called get words from file, and it's not going to take in any parameters, but I could, if I wanted to, send in the name of the text file, so that in my program I could change the text file, so I could use different word files. But for the moment, I'm just not going to do that. And then I'm going to write my function. Let's just paste another one of these. So how are we going to do this? First, we're going to open Word file. And then I'm going to sort of go away from thinking in Python. I'm going to think in a general language now. And if you watched the videos previously on filing, I did mention about something called the end of file, EOF, and I'm going to use that now, to get you used to seeing it, because we don't use it in Python, but we would use it in pseudocode, because the idea of pseudocode is to be given to programmers in various languages, and they should be able to write your file from it. So I'm going to write while not end of file do. So I've got a while loop, and if I've got a while loop, then I'm going to need an end while. So what am I doing in my loop? Now this is reading one line of the file at a time. So read word from file. I'm going to sort of put that into an equal sign a little bit. So open the word file. While not ending the file, read the word from the file. Once I've read all of the words, what I'm then going to do is close the file. Once I've closed the file, I need to return the word list. So that is my function in pseudocode for getting the words from a file. Read word from file. I could here append word to word list. That's better. Now these reads and appends are not the read and append with a file. These are English words telling me what I need to do. So to be honest, I am going to leave it pretty much at that, because any changes I make in this code won't be reflected in the Python, so I might as well leave it at that. Return word list. One thing that I would need to do is probably set a word list to empty to begin with, but I'm not really worried about that. I think I have enough now in pseudocode to actually write the program and be able to scramble a word randomly from a file. So we'll try to write the Python in the next video.